Okay, we're in the utility room in the corner. Um, this switch is for the lights that are on the stairs going down into the basement. So that's off, that's on. These lights are super low voltage LED bulbs, so I tend to leave them on all the time. This is for some of the outside lights that drives a timer on the side of the house, on the master bedroom side on the outside, so it's on there. And this is probably the important one here. And this is the heat tape for most of the house. So to turn it off, just turn it off like that. I presume you should take these and go like that as well. I don't know, but I would. That'll turn them off anyway. Anyway, they're back on. I'll take you now to take the, there's one more heat tape line that's on the outside, and I'll show you where that is. We're just going here, outside. And turning the corner. So that's it there. And the plug is right here. So just simple going like that. That's off. Okay, turn it back on and we're done. That's the heat tape.